So how was this experience?
It was the highest high I ever get.
Surfskate is basically surfing on land, but without the factors of Mother Nature. And everyone has been telling me that if I master the skill of carving on land, I'll be able to carve a wave better. I've been trying to improve my bottom turn in surfing, and to be honest, I suck.
Maybe we can use
I never surfed skate before.
Not a lot of speed, okay?
That's the type of skateboard you can go really fast with.
And I'm going to try skate it in the bowl.
We're gonna conquer the bowl.
So let's do it.
Lower.
Since I surf a longboard at home, I tend to not compress my legs at all.
Good, easy.
Remember to go sideways, okay? If you go straight, press. Let's start, go.
Let's go, babe.
Go down. Yeah.
Capital.
So I'm skating, super happy. I didn't know I could do it. At first I was very confused what the roundabout is, but now I kind of get it. My leg hurts a lot and then my back because I'm not used to this motion, but I think I will get better. So yeah, hopefully you can see from the water. Ding!
This is Felix, aka Papa. He's my classmate, but also my teacher at the same time.
Look at your foot! You know what's wrong with it. Okay, it's not in the middle of the board. Look, does that look like a proper foot? That looks shit.
Where's the proper foot? Like here?
Yeah.
In the bowl is like, as I said, it's too much.
Yeah.
That's too much, too high performance. All right.
Yeah.
So, in the beginning, when you have almost like nothing, you know, that's when you have to, because that's the way we surf. To kick, just let it go. Here, go down, up, down, up, down, up.
Down. No. Is that right or no?
On the wall, can be like on the floor to make sure you have a low gravity center and you are doing kind of a roundabout. Remember the thing I told you in the bowl?
Which part is this one?
When you are going back.
Oh.
Down, up. I want to go that way now.
Oh, so I put my hand here. Oh, okay.
Did you follow?
Down, go up,
Now this
and then
this
oh.
hand, then.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I'm the thing I heard running and you don't, but all of a sudden you're the hero of my story.
Look, now.
I celebrate the love and only
More,
stormy
now.
glory. The way this whole thing started, I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. Then I get so rustly to roam, a full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we crazy people just escaping from lonely. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these more disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a bore. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like the crazy people just escaped from the lonely. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you. But we always fit, precise as a glove.
I'm gonna have a lot of
I
speed.
really enjoy a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love.
Ba da da da, ba da da da. What if we could plan it out? Carve for a week, pass for a day, wee wee. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am. Yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a beat. Maybe you could chill. All this stuff I have up in my head, I just wanna do. Maybe if you come then you can hang, you can meet the crew. We could even chill out at the park like we did in school. Take you back to when you was a kid, everything was cool. Hope you never lose track, life's a
Put
little
your hand
hard
on the
when
water
you're not
now.
home, yeah.
Your left
yeah, I've
hand.
been going and going, but still on my own, yeah. I'm a soldier, I fight for what's right, so my heart's just been fighting for you. What more can I do? I just wanna put you in a box like some. Keep you to myself, you know I don't wanna share no options. If I finally tell the truth,
Are you gonna know how to
then
stop?
I'm telling.
Yeah,
How do I lose speed when I'm going too
I
fast?
tried to go up.
There you go.
I'm dumb fuck.
Come on, again.
Thank you.
The goal is to look where I'm going when I'm turning instead of looking at my feet. Using a stick or anything as a target to turn really helped. I practice a couple rounds before I start the bowl. I do have trouble getting up to the slope because of lack of compression. This is my first time to try surf skate before, and I'm not a pro after this couple days. But I do think that my improvement over this couple days is insane. If you never tried before, I highly suggest you try it. It's super fun and I love it so much. Thanks again for watching and see you next week. Bye bye.
How's
I'm
the
not-
leg situation?
Oh, I think I'm old. The back pain, the leg pain, I'm very out of shape. So I think we should probably start working out now.